everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, it's gonna be that low ponytail that you saw in the beginning of this video. So right here I'm just sectioning off my hair so I can get the section that I need for my braids. My hair has been previously washed and I used one of those hot brushes to kind of straighten it a bit. I didn't want it to be too straight, or I didn't want to have too much heat to my hair, so I use one of those hot brushes instead of using the blow dryer. So here I already have the section for the braids parted out. I'm gonna be doing like 3 braids in the front, and then of course the back is going to be pulled into the low ponytail as you saw earlier. My hair is kind of weird in color right now because I've been coloring my hair and I haven't been happy with the results, so my hair has been transitioning a lot through a lot of different colors, but right now it's just this ugly brown color, which I'm gonna be changing pretty soon. So yeah, so I'm just sectioning off the area right here now for my first braid, and I'm gonna kind of start it from, I was originally going to start it from the side, but as I was parting it, I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and try to start it from like up and then come down and see how that looks. And the gel that I'm using is the Magic Fingers Shine and Jam. I always used the one in the orange jar, but I tried this one before and it's like a thicker consistency, and I actually like both, so this is the one that I'm using today to slick down the roots for the braids. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start my braid. So the braid that I'm doing here, it's not the original braid that you would do. I think this is the under braid and the regular braid is the over braid. I'm not sure, but this braid is the when you do this braid, this one, I wanted them to be flat and not bulky, and I was really contemplating if I should add crinkling hair to it, but my laziness got the better of me and I decided to just go ahead and braid it down without the hair. And I wanted it to be like super flat, so hence the reason for me doing this braid. I didn't want it to be too bulky because I realized that when I have like braids like on one side of my head kind of look like hill shaped head, so I wanted the braids to be as flat as possible, so that's why I decided to do these under braid. I think, I'm not sure which is which, but this is just a different version of the original braids that we always do. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and braid that to the side, and then after that I'll be adding 2 more braids, so it will be 3 in total. And then the back of the hair is just going to be the ponytail. So I like to use the gel to kind of stick down the edges, the roots, because it makes the hair lay more and it's not so bulky when you're braiding it. So the gel is a must for me when I'm doing the braids to kind of get it more neat and not so bulky at the roots. So this is my three braids completed. They are not as neat as I would like them to be, and I know that I could have done better, but like I said earlier, my laziness is kicking in, and I wasn't really in the mood to do this hairstyle, but I had to get it done. So my braids did not come out as good as I wanted them to be, or how I know that I could have done them. So here I'm just adding the gel. It's the same gel from earlier, the Magic Finger Shannon Gem Gel. I'm adding it in between my hair to kind of get the hair to lay flat. So when you pull the hair together, the roots of it can lay. If you just put the gel on top of your hair, the middle part of the hair would be bulky, especially if your hair is like super thick, or if you have if it's dry in the middle and you just put the gel on top, the hair will not lay flat. So adding the gel in between the hair helps the hair to lay down and to be more neat when you put it together. So that's what I'm doing here. Just add as much gel as possible so the root can be saturated, and then I'll just go ahead and pull it back into the ponytail. It's not looking so neat right now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it and comb it until I have it laying as flat as possible. I've seen this design on a lot of girls, especially when they have like their hair slicked back into a low ponytail, and I always thought it was so cute, and I was eager to try it. So this is my version. This is how mine's turn out. I think I did pretty good, and I really love this design. What do you call this? What do you guys call this? Baby hair? I'm not sure if this is baby hair, because all I did was kind of gel down the front of my hair and kind of use the comb to make those lines, and it is just cute and I love it. So would you consider this to be baby hair? So right here, I'm just adding a little bit of extension on the back of my hair to make my ponytail longer, so when I can have a little bit more length to wrap the extension, the hair around. So I'll just braid that into my natural hair into a little ponytail that's gonna be sticking out, and then that's, gonna be the base for the extension here that I'm gonna wrap around to make the ponytail. So I secured the end of it with a rubber band, and that's how I'm going to leave that. So the hair I'm using is some hair that I had previously made into a wig. So these are all of the pieces of hair cut from a wig that I had, and I went ahead and I took like a needle and thread and I kind of stitched them back together to make this long thing, because I didn't want to go out and get new hair. So I wasn't wearing the wig, so I cut it apart and then I stitched the hair together. They're not really stitched tight, so if I wanted, I could always just pull these pieces back apart and resew the wig. But for the ponytail, I stitched them together to make this long piece, because I know it was going to take a while to wrap a little piece by piece to make the ponytail. So stitching them together cut down on a lot of time doing little pieces by pieces. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap that around until I get to the base of my hair, and then I'm gonna take a little piece of the hair and wrap it around the base to kind of cover where the elastic band is where the elastic band in my hair. I'm going to use a little piece of the hair to camouflage where the elastic band is, and then that would be my ponytail. So this is it, guys. This is the final results. It is pretty decent. I know I could have done better, but I'm happy with the results. I'm happy with my little design in the side. It's really cute and I was fitting myself. I went ahead and I changed the baby hair design in the front of my head to these little twirlies, and I think those are super cute too. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment below, and thank you for watching my video. And be sure to leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys for another video soon.